Karon guys, katulogon ko. Bago pa kong mata. Pero ang buhaton na turon, mag-transfer ta diri money from Exterium to my GoTime Bank. GoTime? I think it's GoTime Bank. Sorry. I'm sorry for that. Okay. Alright. So, we're gonna leave to log in. Okay. Okay. So, mag-transfer na ta. Okay. Dire. We're going to upload from here. This is my GoTime. Then, I think let's start with, wait. Masyado ka namang excited eh. Yan. Mag-transfer tayo ng 50 pesos ha. Try lang natin mga loads. Ayan. And then, send money. So, ayan. Na-send na. Done. Ayun, sige, close ha. So, ato asa siyang ngayon. I-check natin. So, wallet natin. Ayan. And then, let's check to my GoTime apps. Ayan. It's there na. Yung 50 pesos pinadala natin. Okay, palangan na.